So what I have here is the Mavic 3 drone battery. Now this is the intelligent flight one and is compatible with all of the Mavic 3 drones. So anything from the Pro to Classic, this battery will work and be compatible with. Now the lithium battery inside here is encased with this plastic casing, which allows it to slide really easily into the drone. You can see the clip here. So these are the pins which will slide into place. And you've got these sort of buttons on the front that sort of like clip down. And this allows you to remove and add your battery to your actual drone. Now on the front, you have this really nice button here, which allows you to place it, and you'll be able to see the charge of the actual battery. So this is about half full and shows you at what point it's at. So each of these indicates 25% on your battery. So overall, I've been really flying these drones for a while, and this is the perfect addition if you are wanting to use for your drone. It allows up to 46 minutes of flight time, which is absolutely amazing. So having a couple of these on hand is really helpful, so you can fly your drone for about 40 minutes, bring it down, and swap it out for another one. Because it is really easy to collapse them in and out, it is absolutely perfect. So if you're looking for one, I would highly recommend checking this one out.